Hello, and welcome to our channel where we provide you with the latest beauty tips and tricks to help you look and feel your best. In today's video, we will be discussing 5 anti-aging beauty tips to help you look younger. The first tip is to protect your skin from the sun. The sun's harmful UV rays can cause premature aging, wrinkles, and dark spots. To protect your skin, always wear sunscreen with a high SPF of at least 30 and wear protective clothing like hats and sunglasses when going out in the sun. The second tip is to keep your skin hydrated. As we age, our skin loses its natural moisture, making it look dry and dull. To keep your skin hydrated, drink plenty of water and use moisturizers that contain hyaluronic acid, which helps to retain moisture in the skin. The third tip is to use anti-aging products. Look for products that contain retinol, vitamin C, and peptides, which help to stimulate collagen production, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and improve skin elasticity. The fourth tip is to get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can cause dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines around the eyes, making you look older. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of sleep each night to help your skin look fresh and rejuvenated. The fifth and final tip is to maintain a healthy diet. What you eat can affect your skin's appearance, so make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats in your diet. These foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help to keep your skin looking youthful and glowing. That concludes our video on 5 anti-aging beauty tips to help you look younger. Remember to protect your skin from the sun, hydrate your skin, use anti-aging products, get enough sleep, and maintain a healthy diet to keep your skin looking its best. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks.